Hey, it's Josh with Knapp Business Solutions Tax.pro, and I wanted to take a minute to answer a question that we get regularly. This question is, how long do I have to wait to get my refund? Well, this is a great question, and we get it often. Generally speaking, about 21 days from the time you file your return, you should receive your refund. However, there's a lot of exceptions to that rule, and sometimes it takes longer. So, there's a great tool on IRS.gov called Where's My Refund, and you can use that tool to look up the status of your refund. Calling IRS takes a long time, and it's difficult to get through. So generally, if you can use their online tool or Where's My Refund, that's the best bet. If it's been months and you still don't have that refund, and you've tried the online tool, then it might be in your best interest to try to call the IRS to see what's holding up your return. Sometimes a return will get flagged for fraud, and when it goes to the fraud department at IRS, it takes a lot longer for them to issue those refunds. It can take months, and I've even seen it take up to more than a year for them to issue large refunds. So, if that's your case, you've checked the Where's My Refund tool, and you need more help, please feel free to reach out to us. You can learn more about how to connect with us in the caption below. We look forward to serving you.